I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Open Word and sign in, then add the AI plugin or connect the cloud editor. You start by giving the AI a concise brief: purpose, tone, and desired length. Explain key headings and any required formatting because the model follows prompts closely. Once done, run a short sample prompt for the first paragraph to confirm style and voice. Make adjustments to instructions if the draft is off. This saves time versus reworking the whole file later. Now focus on building the document section by section. Ask the AI for an outline, then request each section as a separate prompt. You should prompt for lists, tables, and headings with explicit formatting instructions so Word applies styles automatically. Once the AI produces text, copy into the document and edit for accuracy and flow. Always check facts and tone. Make sure to instruct the AI about voice consistency and use short prompts to regenerate only. Finish by running grammar and style checks and confirm headings and accessibility tags are present. You should save a version, export to PDF if needed, and set permissions or sharing links. If something looks wrong, strange formatting, hallucinated facts, or inconsistent voice, regenerate that section with a focused prompt or revert to the prior saved draft and reapply edits. As a tip, keep a first draft backup. It speeds recovery when the AI introduces errors or unwanted changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.